class. Hi Kinda. Hi. Okay, Lara, but I think we don't have a homework today, right? I think you mean the last homeworks, right? The homeworks for the last lesson. Thank you. So, girls, today we will continue the same lesson, how to estimate the quotient using multiples. So, you remember we talked about quotient, I think on Tuesday. And we said that quotient is the answer for division. The answer for division. We named this number or this answer quotient. So today we will continue the same lesson. We will do exercises. I want you to bring your books and pencils, please, and open your books on page 198 because we have only one exercise. We didn't do it, I think exercise 1. So we will start in exercise 1. Okay, so let's move. We will move to exercise on page 100, this one, right? This one. Okay, so girls, I told you last lesson that to find the answer for division operation, okay, this is division. Okay, here I want to estimate the answer, estimate the quotient. I want to estimate the quotient. So when I said estimate, that means this is not the exact number, the exact quotient. No, the quotient will be around this number, about this number, okay? And we use multiples strategy, right? We use multiples strategy. That means I will multiply this small number that I want to divide the bigger or the two-digit number on it. So in this exercise, I want here to estimate this operation, which is here division, and estimate the answer, which is the quotient. We name it the quotient. So 68, I will do the first one to remember together how we will do it, and then you will help me to find the quotient. So 68 divided 6. Here, if I want to divide, I will use multiples, the multiples of 6. So I told you, you can use the numbers, or you can use, we name those numbers counting numbers. Counting numbers. So I can use counting numbers starting with 1, with 2, with 3, etc. Okay, so I can use those numbers. You can use it in this exercise, but look, if you use those exercises, the answers will be far away from 68. So if you multiply 1 with 6, it will be 6. 2 multiply 6, it will be what? 12. So far away from 68. That's why I will start my multiples with the counting numbers 10, 11, 12, etc. as written in the book. So if you use those, we name those counting numbers. Counting. Okay. Counting numbers. Those. Okay. So we will start with 10. After 10, 11, 12. Okay. And I will find the multiple of each number with 6. That means 10 multiplied 6 equals 60. Okay? Now 11 multiplied 6. Look, any number, multiply it with 11, you have to double the number. That means 11 multiplied 6 equals 66. Or you can multiply two-digit number with one-digit number. 6 multiply 1 equals 6. 6 multiply 1 equals 6. So the answer is 66. Now, what about 12 multiply 6? So I will multiply it here on a white paper. You can use a white paper and do this multiple. 6 multiply 2, as we learned in regrouping. 6 multiply 2 equals 12. Can I write 12 here? No. So what I have to do, I have to put 2 here and 1 above the tens. Now 6 multiply 1 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the answer for this multiplication is 72. This is the answer. Look, the number here becomes greater than 68. So we have to stop, as we said, right? Stop. Stop. If this number less than 68, I have to continue the multiples. Then that's mean I will choose the next counting number, which is 13 multiply 6, 14 multiply 6, etc. But when the answer becomes greater than 68, that's mean I have to stop. Okay, girls? Now look, 68 between those numbers, the last two numbers. 68 will be right here between those two numbers. But it's close to which one? 68 between 66 and 72. But it's close to which one? Who will tell me? It's close, 68, close to 66 or close to 72. Look, from 66 to 68 I have two numbers. From 68 to 72 I have four numbers. So it's close to which one? To which one? It's close to 66, girls. It's close to 66. Thank you. So that's why this number is close to, okay, close 68. I will write it for you. 68 is closest to 66, because the difference between 66 and 68 only two numbers, but the difference between 68 and 72 4. So this number is close to 66. That means the quotient will be what? About what? About 11. We will choose the counting number that multiplied with 6, that I will multiply it with 6 and give me 66. Okay, Lara, you asked me how to. Okay, you don't write step 1 and 2 in the example, you mean? Okay, the lesson, the last lesson is recorded on the platform. So you can return to the platform and watch the lesson again and write the answers if you didn't write it, okay? So you finish, girls. Now, Kenzie, you asked me about you don't understand all lessons. All lesson, what step you don't understand it, Kenzie? Because today we will continue the lesson and we will do more exercises, so you will understand it, inshallah. I know it's a new lesson for you. So you finish, girls. If you finish, please type on the chat just one time. Type 1 on the chat. Okay, Kenzie, we will do more exercises now. So focus with me how we will estimate the quotient. Okay, thank you, girls. Now let's move to page 199 and we will do the first exercise. Okay, I will erase those. Okay, girls, here I want to estimate the quotient. I want find two numbers, the quotient is between, then estimate the quotient. That means I will use the counting numbers, then the number is about 11. Okay, Lana, the number is about 11. Okay, now first thing I want to estimate, I want to find two numbers, the quotient will be between those two numbers, then I will estimate the quotient will be what? As we said, you have to write the counting numbers, multiply the counting numbers with the smaller or one-digit number, with this number, smaller number. Then I will choose two numbers that the multiples, or this number will be between the multiples. So I want you to focus with me, girls, in this exercise. First thing, girls, I want to find the multiples. So look, if I want to start with the counting numbers from the first, okay, look, I will start with the counting numbers. Counting numbers. Focus with me. Okay? Who didn't understand, please focus with me. Then I will write the multiple. The multiples. Okay? So, girls, the counting numbers, you know that you can start from the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, counting. Okay? You have to count the numbers after each other. But here I will not start from the 1, because look, the number 41 is far away from 3. So I will start from the 10. Okay? 10, 11, 12, 13, okay, 14. Girls, you can write this on paper if you don't have a space, this solution, okay? Multiples of what? Of 3 here. The multiples of 3. Of the number that I want to divide on it, okay? So, how I will find the multiple? Multiply the counting number with 3. That's mean 10 multiply 3 equals 30. Now, 11 multiply 3, as we said, any number multiply 3, I have to double the number, 33. Okay, girls? Now, 12 multiply 3, 12 multiply 3, you can do it here on a white paper. 12 multiply 3 and find the answer. 3 multiply 2 equals 6. 3 multiply 1 equals 3. Okay? So the answer will be 36. Now, 13 multiply 3, look, the number is smaller, the answer, the multiple, Kenzie, focus with me please, and all of you. 36 still smaller than 41, so I have to continue. 13 multiply 3, look, I will do it here. 13, this number. Okay? 13 multiply 3. Let's do the answer. 3 multiply 3 equals 9. 3 multiply 1 equals 3. So it will be 39. Look, still the multiple is smaller than 41. Still the multiple smaller than 41, so I have to continue. Continue with 14. I want to multiply 3 with 14. You can do it on a white paper to find the answer. 3 multiply 4 equals 12. So I will put 2 here and 1 above the tens. 3 multiply 1 equals 3. Thank you, Zan. Plus 1 equals 4. So the multiple is what? 42. Look, 42 greater than 41. So the number becomes greater, the multiple becomes greater. That means I have to stop. Okay? What I have to do here after that? Now, look, the multiple between those two numbers, 42 and 39, right? Right, girls? The multiple between those two numbers. Or, sorry, the number between those two multiples. Okay? But, so, the answer for this question, he told me, find two numbers that the quotient is between. That's mean I will set that the quotient between, you have to write this, between. Okay, I will write it for you again. Between what? 13 and 14, right? Look, the answer or the quotient here will be between 13 and 14, because 41 is between 39 and 42. So the multiple will be between those two numbers. But it's 41 close to 42 or 39? Look, who will tell me? 41 is close to 42 or close to 39? Who will tell me? Girls, again, look, there is between 41 and 42 just one number, but between 41 and 39 two numbers. That's mean it's close to 42, right? So that's mean the quotient will be about what? About 14. Okay? So to continue the answer for this number 2, the quotient will be about 14. This is the estimate. Okay? Okay, girls? So you have to write this answer. You have to write this answer for number 2. Okay? But this is an explanation for you. It's up to you. You can write it or not. Okay, let's do number 3. Let's do number 3. Okay, I will do those 2 and 3 to explain the idea for you. Now, 192 divided on okay, there is Hind here. Who is Hind? Please, could you please type on the chat your name? Okay, 192 divided on 5. Okay, also, okay, when we finish, Noura, just I will finish number 3. Also here I want to divide this number on 5. So also I will use, okay, Duha. 192 divided on 5. So I will use multiples. First thing, I will write the counting numbers. But look, this is a big number, 195 and 192, and this is a smaller number. So I will not start from the counting number 1. No, I will start from the 10. Okay? From the 10. Okay, girl? I will start from the 10. After 10, okay, I will erase this. I will write it again for you. Sorry. Okay. Now, first thing, girls, I will start the counting numbers from the 10. Okay, after that, I will choose 20. So I will choose tens number because the number that I want to divided it is 100 number. So I will choose a numbers or a tens numbers in counting. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, okay, 40. Let's find the multiple. The multiple means I will multiply 5 with the counting numbers. So 5 multiply 10 equals 50. Okay? 5 multiply 20 equals what? Look, 5 multiply 2 equals 10 and put 1 0 next to the answer. So how I will multiply with tens number? Also here 30. 5 multiply 30. I will multiply 5 with 3, it will be 15. And put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 150. Still, the multiple less than the number. Now 40. I will multiply 5 with 40. So 5 multiply 4 equals 20. And put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 200. Look, the multiple is greater than the number. That's mean I have to stop. Okay, girls, I have to stop here. Look, the number 192 between those two multiples. That's mean the quotient will be between 30 and 40. Okay? The quotient will be between 30 and 40. So, the answer for this question will be, or the quotient will be between 30 and 40. Okay? Between 30 and 40. But 192, it's close to 200 or 150. Excellent, Zen. That's right. It's close to 200. 192. It's close to 200. That's mean the quotient will be about 40. I will choose 40. This is the estimate for the quotient. So the quotient will be about 40. Okay, girls? This is the answer for the question. This is an explanation for you and this is the answer. Okay, girls? So if you finished, please type 1 in the chat. Okay? Thank you. Okay, just Lana, Rimas, Zen and Sana. Riyam also? No? Okay, girls, I will wait 1 minute. Please write the answer. Your answers, just those answers. Okay? In the rectangle. Okay? In rectangle. This is the answer for the question. This is not the answer. This is an explanation for you. You can write it or not. It's up to you. Thank you, Rina. Love you too. Love you all, girls. Hind, you are a new student, dear? Could you please tell me on the chat you are a new student? No? Okay, girls. Okay, welcome, Hind. Welcome to our class. I think this is your first class in math. My name is teacher Selma. I am the mathematics teacher. Okay? Okay, say hi for your friends. Okay? So, girls, let's continue now on number 4. Number 4, I will erase this. Okay? Now, 90 divided on 7. 90 divided on 7. So, also I will do it for you, girls. Focus with me. Now, how I will find or estimate the quotient first. I want to find the quotient will be between two numbers, then I will estimate the quotient. So the same thing, I will start my multiplication. Look, this is a tens number divided on 7. This is a tens number divided on 7. So what I have to do here, I have to start the counting numbers from 10, right? I will start the counting numbers from 10. Okay? I will start the counting numbers from 10. So 10. After that, okay, I will give you a space here again. Okay, girls, I will write the counting numbers right here. 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's see now if we will stop on 13 or we will continue. Okay, so girls, please focus with me now. Focus with me. Now I will multiply the number 7 with the counting numbers. 7 multiply 10 equals 70. 7 multiply 11 equals 77. So this is the second multiple. 7 multiply 12. You can do it as we said. 7 multiply 2 equals 14. So I can do it here. 12 multiply 7. 7 multiply 2 equals 14. I will put 4 here and 1 above the 10. 7 multiply 1 equals 7. Plus 1 equals 8. So it will be 84. Look, the multiple still less than 90. So I will continue. 7 multiply 13. Let's find the answer. 7 multiply 3 equals 21. I will put 1 here and 2 above the tens. 7 multiply 1 equals 7 plus 2 equals 9. Girls, please stop typing on the chat just if you want to answer. And focus with me. This is very important. 91 greater than 90. So I have to stop. So the multiple or the number will be between those two numbers, right? So it's close to which one? It's close to 91 or 84. Look, 90. It's close to which number? So the number or the number between 91 and 84. That's mean the quotient will be between 12 and 13. So the quotient will be between 12 and 13. But it's close to which one? It's close to which number? It's close to, look, 90 close to 91. That means the quotient, or if you want to write the quotient, will be about what? 13. 13. Okay? So the quotient will be about 13. Okay? So we will choose from the counting numbers. We will choose from the counting numbers. Hind, please stop now typing on the chat, dear. Now we have to focus on the lesson. You can talk with your friends in the break, please. So now let's do number 5. Let's do number 5. So we have to repeat the same steps. Now 67 divided 4. Also I will choose multiples. Maybe I will start from 10. So the counting numbers, you can start from the 10, but I will start here from, you can start from 15. I will choose 15. You can start from the 10, but here I will choose 15 from the counting numbers. 16, 17. Okay, you can start from 10 because the number consists of 2-digit numbers. So let's start. To find the multiples, I have to multiply 4 with the counting numbers. That's mean 15 multiply 4. Okay, not now please, not now. 4 multiply 5 equals 20, so I put 0 here and 2 above the tens. 4 multiply 1 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the first multiple is 60. Now the second one, I will multiply 4 with 16. 4 multiply 6 equals 24. So I put 4 here and 1 and 2 above the tens. 4 multiply 1 equals 4 plus 2 equals 64. So 64. Still the multiple less than 67. I will continue and multiply 4 with 17, sorry. 4 multiply 7 equals 28. Stop typing on the chat please. Girls, stop typing on the chat. 4 multiply 7 equals 28, so I put 8 here and 2 above the tens. 4 multiply 1 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6, so it will be 68. So look, 68 greater than 67, so I have to stop. The multiple will be between those, or the number will be between those two multiples, 67. So the quotient will be between 16 and 17. But 67 close to 68 or 64? 67. It's close to 68 or 64? It's close to 68. Thank you, Zen. Thank you, Sama. That's mean the quotient or the estimate will be about 17. So the quotient will be between 16 and 17. Girls, please stop typing on the chat only if you want to answer, or I will block you. So it will be about 17. Okay, girls? If you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Okay, let's move to number 5. Okay, I will leave this side and erase just this side, okay? Now, let's do number 8. 281 divided 9. If I want to find the quotient or estimate the quotient, also I have to find the multiple or the counting numbers. So I will start with counting numbers, count 10, tens numbers, because the number here is 100. So I will choose 10, I will choose 10, 20, 30, and etc. Let's try. 9 multiply 10 equals 90. 9 multiply 20. 9 multiply 2 equals 18, and put 10 next to the answer. So it will be 180. Still less. Now 9 multiply 30. 9 multiply 3 equals 27, and put 10 next to the answer. So it will be 270. Look, still less than 281. So I will take 40 after that. 9 multiply 40. 9 multiply 4. 9 multiply 4 equals 36, and put 0 next to the answer, so it will be 360. Okay? So look, stop. We have greater than 280. So 280 between those two numbers. So sorry, 81, not 80. But it's close to which one? That's mean the multiple or the quotient will be between 30 and 40. But it's close to which one? 281 close to 360 or 270? Very good, Lana. 270. That's mean the quotient will be about 30. Very good. So it will be between 30 and 40, and it's about 30. Okay? Now I will erase this to solve number 7. Also 102 divided on 7. I want to estimate the quotient. So to estimate the quotient, I will find the multiples. Also the multiples I will choose from 10, or I will start with 10 because this is a hundredths digit, or the hundredths number. So I will start from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, etc. Let's start. 7 multiply 10 equals 70. 7 multiply 11 equals 77. 7 multiply 12 equals 84. I think we do it now. 84. Now 7 multiply 13. We do it also from last exercise. 7 multiply 13 equals 91, right? You can do it. 7 multiply 14, also multiply 14 with 7. We do it also, I think. The answer was 98. 98. So you can do it, girls. Now 7 multiply 15. The answer will be still, look, the multiple less than 102. So I have to multiply 7 with 15. So you can do it. So the answer will be what? 105. You can do it, girls, on white paper. Multiply 7 with 15. So look, the multiple greater than 102, so I have to stop here. And 102 between those two numbers. 102 between those two numbers. But it's close to which one? Which one? The multiple between those two numbers. So the quotient between 14 and 15. But it's close to 105 or 98. It's close to 105. Excellent, Zain. Thank you, Zain. You are with me. That's mean it will be about 15. Okay, girls? So it will be between 14 and 15, and it's about 15 because the number will be about this one. Okay, we will move to the next exercise. I will erase this side only, girls. I will erase just this side. Okay, you do it or not? Number 6, you do it? Okay, type on English. In English, please, on the chat, not in Arabic. Okay, girls, you do number 6, right? So I will erase just number 6. You don't do it? Just write the answer, girls. Just the answer. Don't write the multiples. This is no need to write it. Okay? Girls, we will do number 8. Number 8, I want to find the quotient or estimate the quotient. So I will estimate, or I will find the counting numbers. So you can start from the 10. It's up to you. So I will start here from number 13. Just number 13. I will start from 13, 14, 15. You can start from the 10. It's okay, but it will be long multiplication. Let's start 16 multiply, or 6, sorry, multiply 13. So I will multiply 13 with 6. 6 multiply 3, equals what? 6 multiply 3 equals 18. So it will be 8 here and 1 above the tens. 6 multiply 1 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the first answer is 78. Look, it's great. It's still smaller than 85. Okay, girls. Now 14 multiply 6. You can do this strategy and multiply 14 with 6. But I will give you the final answer. If you multiply 14 with 6, it will be 84. Okay? It will be 84. You can do this and multiply 6 with 14 and the answer will be 84. So still 84 less than 85. Okay? Now I have to continue and multiply 15 with 6. So you can multiply also 15 with 6. 5 multiply 6 equals 30. So I put 0 here and 3 above the tens. 6 multiply 1 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9. So the answer is 90. Look, 90 greater than 85. So I have to stop. Now, this one between 85 between 84 and 90. That means the quotient will be between 40 and 50. But it's close to which number? Who will tell me? 85 closest to 84 or 90? 84 or 90? Very good. 84. That means the quotient will be about 14. Okay? So it will be between 14 and 15, and it's about 14. Okay, girls, the session is finished. So it's okay if I take just 1 minute to solve number 9. It's okay for you, or you want to take it as a homework? You can take it as a homework with the homework because you have a homework. It's okay if I take just 1 minute to solve number 9? Girls, no? You said no. Okay? I'm asking about taking just 1 minute, girls, okay? Just 1 minute. Okay, now 220 divided 8. I will find the multiples, so I will write the multiples here. This is 100 number, so I will start with tens sequence or tens pattern. 10, 20, 30. Okay, let's start. Just 1 minute, Noura. Now I will multiply 8 with 10, so it will be 80. Okay, 8 multiply 20, it will be what? 8 multiply 2 equals 16, and put 0 next to the answer, so it will be 160. Now 8 multiply 3, 8 multiply 3 equals 24, and I have to put 1 0 next to the answer. So 24 greater than, 240 greater than 220. So I have to stop here. The 220 between those two numbers, 220 between 160 and 240. That means the quotient will be between 20 and 30. 220 closest to 240 or 160? Which one the closest? Look, very good, Lana. Not Lana, Sama. Lana, no, not 160. It's 240. Very good, Kinda. Thank you, Zen. So it will be close to 240. That means the quotient, or estimate the quotient, will be 30. Okay? So the quotient will be between 20 and 30. And it's close or about what? About 30. Okay? This is the answer. Okay? Okay, Noura, what's your question?
Teacher.
Yes.
My question was in 40 in question 4, but I understand it when we complete.
Okay, thank you so much, Noura. That's why I told you, girls, just wait. You will understand it when we do more exercises. So, girls, this is our lesson.